is what we must as the legislature resolve. The very same administration you are referring to, it is unlawful because the constitution is clear.
In light of the fact that his office is under section 101B of the Constitution, while Speaker, we note your response to the matter. Would you kindly take this House, the people of the Northwest, and the people of South Africa into confidence and confirm whether this indeed is a lawful sitting?
Ukusuka isidumo khathi i-EFF itshelwa ukuthi iphume iphele esishayamthetho nokholele ekutheni elinye ilungu libambane ngehluthu nonogada. Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi undunankulu ukwazile ukwethula inkulumo yakhe. Kuyo uthe uphiko oluphenya amacala abucayi seluphothulile uphenyo lwalo ngamacala ehlukene enkohlakalo kulesi sifundazwe.
Investigations including by the Special Investigating Unit